Enjoy the long lake and fountain view from the lanai of this second-floor 3-bedroom new construction condo. Featuring wood cabinetry, large built-in pantry, stainless steel appliances and granite surfaces in the kitchen. The split floor plan places the master suite away from the guest bedrooms and laundry with full-sized washer and dryer. The en-suite master bathroom has a tiled shower, granite-topped double sink vanity and walk-in closet. For added luxury, €20 porcelain tile is laid on the diagonal in common areas, carpet in the master and second bedroom, wood flooring in third bedroom with crown molding throughout. A detached single-car garage is steps away from the home's entrance. Enjoy maintenance-free living and resort-style amenities with low HOA fees including water, sewer, basic cable, waste management and more. FHA and Fannie Mae approved. Amenities include clubhouse with catering-style kitchen, state-of-the-art fitness center, resort-style swimming pool, tennis court, box court, playground and community barbecue picnic areas. The gated community is set in the heart of Cape Coral, Florida, minutes from the